After many years of anticipation, the James Webb Space Telescope has achieved the unimaginable. It has just captured the first ever real image of another world, an exoplanet unlike any we have ever seen before. This image could change our understanding of the cosmos and bring us closer to answering one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? In this video, we'll take a journey through the revolutionary capabilities of the James Webb Telescope, its latest stunning discovery, and what it could mean for the future of space exploration. Prepare to be amazed. Since its launch, JWST has been exploring the unknown, focusing on the most elusive objects in the universe, exoplanets. These are planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. Finding Earth-like planets among them could be the key to discovering extraterrestrial life. Thanks to its advanced infrared technology, the Webb telescope is capable of directly capturing images of exoplanets, revealing details that were previously invisible. It uses a special tool called a coronagraph, which blocks out the bright light of the star, allowing the faint light from distant planets orbiting it to be seen. This technology has completely changed the game, and the JWST did not stay on the sidelines for long. In its first year of operation, it took a historic image of the exoplanet HIP 65426b, a massive gas giant located 100 times farther from its star than Earth is from the Sun. This is not just a photograph. It is a glimpse into a new world that may hold clues to the origins of planets and, possibly, life. But just when it seemed that discoveries couldn't get any more exciting, the telescope turned its sensors on Proxima b, an exoplanet located just 4.25 light-years away in the habitable zone of its star. What the telescope captured stunned scientists, a faint but distinct glow that could be evidence of artificial lighting. Proxima b is considered tidally locked. One side of the planet is always illuminated, while the other is in perpetual darkness. If there is a civilization there, it may have developed technology that allows it to illuminate the dark side, as cities on Earth do at night. This is exactly the kind of glow that JWST detected, and it could be the first sign of extraterrestrial technology in history. To understand the significance of this discovery, we need to take a closer look at the data. The telescope's infrared sensors detected a stable, faint glow on the night side of Proxima b. This glow does not resemble reflected starlight or a natural phenomenon. The pattern indicates a stable, artificial light source. When we look at Earth from space, our cities create a similar glow. It can even be seen from the edge of the solar system. Could we be seeing the light of an alien civilization? The data is not definitive, but the similarity cannot be ignored. Scientists are hypothesizing about a Dyson luminescent structure, a technology designed to generate or reflect light. This used to be considered science fiction, but with the capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, anything is possible. This is not just about the discovery of another planet. It is about answering one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone? If this glow is indeed artificial, it is the first direct evidence of extraterrestrial technology, a civilization capable of illuminating a planet. Proxima b is located in the habitable zone, where liquid water, a key ingredient for life, is possible. But what if life there is not just microbial? What if it is intelligent, capable of building, harnessing energy, and communicating between stars? If this is true, everything changes. It would mean that we are not alone, and that somewhere out there are civilizations, possibly much more advanced than ours. The world is gripped by excitement. Social media is exploding with discussions and speculation. Could we be about to make first contact with alien life? But not everyone is rejoicing. Some fear the possible consequences. Are we ready for contact with intelligent life? What if it is hostile? Obtaining an image of another planet is no easy task. JWST used the most advanced tools, including the NIRCam infrared camera and the MIRI mid-infrared instrument, to overcome cosmic dust and reveal what was hidden. The coronagraph played a key role. By blocking light from Proxima Centauri, it allowed the light from Proxima b to be isolated. This provided the clearest view of an exoplanet outside the solar system to date. Spectroscopy experts say the level of detail is unprecedented. A heat map shows sharp temperature differences, indicating possible geological activity and artificial heat sources. The next step is to search for biosignatures, chemical signs that indicate life. Using spectroscopy, the telescope analyzes light from the planet to find gases such as oxygen, methane, and even industrial pollutants. Initial analysis shows the presence of methane and carbon dioxide, two gases that are closely associated with biological processes on Earth. If combinations of gases are detected that cannot exist without intervention, this would be strong evidence of life, or even industrial activity. This is not just a scientific breakthrough. It is a moment that could redefine our place in the universe. For centuries, we have looked up at the sky and wondered, are we alone? Now we may have an answer, and it could change everything. Every culture has its own myths about life beyond Earth. From ancient gods in the heavens to science fiction about star-spanning civilizations, the idea has always been part of our imagination. But what if it became a reality? The world is watching, waiting, and wondering. This isn't just a scientific question. It's a question about our very nature, about who we are as a species, and what kind of future we want to build in a universe teeming with life. We are on the cusp of a new era of space exploration. The James Webb Telescope has given us our first glimpse of what might be out there, but this is only the beginning. In the near future, JWST will continue to study the atmosphere of Proxima b in search of irrefutable signs of life. There are already plans to use the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, to confirm the data obtained and peer even deeper into the mysteries of the distant universe. These missions will work in tandem with JWST, pushing the boundaries of technology and knowledge. The next decade promises to be filled with discoveries. We are on the verge of something big. For the first time in history, we have the technology and capabilities to potentially discover life beyond Earth. This is an incredible time. And JWST is just the beginning. The stars have always been a source of inspiration. They have guided sailors, inspired scientists, and fueled dreams. And now, as we stand on the threshold of the greatest discovery in human history, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for what we might find? The discovery of a new world, possibly inhabited, forces us to think about our purpose, our responsibility, and our place in the universe. If we are not alone, how will that change our understanding of life, society, and our planet? The James Webb Telescope has shown us a new world, a place where the answers we have been searching for millennia may lie. But this is only the beginning. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. And we are on the verge of uncovering it. What do you think about this incredible discovery? Could this be the first real proof of life beyond Earth? Or do we still have a lot to learn? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you're as excited as we are, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The universe is calling. We're going to answer.